Hi everybody, this is my new Sony FX3 professional cinematic camera. Took me a lifetime to buy this. Very hard to do, but I
don't know
like
where to
it.
begin. So this is an unboxing. I hope that you'll enjoy it as much as I can. What's in the box? Cardboard is in the box. Okay. I'm gonna do unboxings because I don't know, I just don't. Oh, I'm so tired today. I've been working and working and working. Come on, box, cooperate. Something free that I'll never use. Limited paperwork, Sony. Typical charging wire, cable of some sort. Okay, what's in here? Let's unveil the super prize, which I know I spent a lot of time working my butt off to get this thing. And I never thought I was going to have the money for this thing. Oh, here it goes. A one-handed unboxing. Ta-da-da-da. Ta-da-da-da. Here we go for the ta-da! Poor man finally does it right. What is it? The infamous Sony FX3. Wow. How many I spent over a year raising the money to buy this thing. Brand new. I bought it at Mike's camera shop here in Sacramento. I got the receipt. Beautiful. Brand new. I'm glad it's brand new. Not your typical looking movie camera. This is just an unboxing. We're not going to start turning this thing on yet. I gotta charge the battery and read up on how to use it, but this is going to be my go-to video camera. Let's set this aside for a second. Maybe. Maybe not. What else is in the box? Okay. Another something or other. Don't know what it could be. A charger! Oh, I was wondering about this one. The Sony infamous charger. I'm happy to get that. I can't even read that. Lately my camera's been doing weird stuff. Oh, you know, let me try something here. It has to be in portrait, otherwise it just doesn't capture detail for my Samsung phone. And that's the charger. Thank goodness, we got a charger. Put that off to the side for right now. And keep digging into the mysteries of the box. I did not expect to even get this. Not at all. It cost me close to $41.30. $4,130 somewhere around in there. Wow, I did not expect this little beauty. Uh-oh, there goes everything. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I don't know what happened to my lighting, but my lighting just went bad. I'm gonna have to read up on this little gizmo, this handle of some sort. Looks good. Set that off to the side. I'm pretty happy, and I'm pretty tired right now. So, nothing in there. And I'll be right back. I don't know what this. Alrighty, I'm back. Huh. Now I'm not really getting a really good. Oh, I guess I had to go to Pro Video. Autofocus. Okay, and under here was the battery. And the hot shoe. I guess this is the hot shoe under that tab, and underneath that that little box there was the cable. So, pretty happy. Put the hot shoe back. I'm going to put everything back. I'm going to do the. Anyway, that was the unboxing of the infamous, famous camera. It took me a lifetime to get. I'm not kidding. The Sony FX recorder, FX3. I'm pretty proud. I'm pretty happy. I'm kind of scared that maybe it isn't going to live up to the $4,000 that I spent on it. But I think it will. I think it will do just nicely. FX3. Sorry. I get these mental blocks now. It's supposed to be one of the world's greatest cameras for the price. Better, much better than supposedly 80% of the $9,000 to $10,000 cameras for so many different reasons. So I'm proud to own this. I'm very happy. I'm just a little nervous and scared that it. I don't know. It's brand new. It's gonna take me a little while to get it done. To get all the information done. Next week I'm gonna register it and everything under my name. Pretty happy. It's a lot of work that went into just buying this. So I have to use this to make money, make some of that money back. All right, folks. It's been a pleasure talking with you and hanging out with you. All the different little other gadgets, toys. I can't wait to actually use this Sony FX3 out in the field and actually make my first buck doing it. This is a really great camera for the price. Unbelievable, unbeatable. All right, folks. Thank you very much. I will talk to you soon, and hopefully I won't be as tired next time. Bye-bye.